So Juho, let's look at the next 2 years for Inseego. What do you have planned, or where's the company headed that differentiates us in the industry?
I really think we have a great formula already. So for me, it's about execution. If you look at the FX4100, it's a beautiful solution. So it demonstrates everything that we stand for. First of all, the FX4100 features network slicing.
Mhm.
Now you can deliver your own slice of the network, essentially a private network for an enterprise that's virtual. Guaranteed quality of service, multiple different use cases. What this will continue to translate to in terms of technology leadership is 5G Advanced, which will
Mhm.
roll out with 3GPP release 18 on the first half of next year. So that's going to be a foundational differentiator for us. Secondly, we'll continue to build on top of our solution. It's really the hardware is a key part of it. It carries our own Inseego design module, best in class antenna performance in the industry. But on top of that, we have the Edge Router OS, which is our device OS, featuring advanced enterprise routing capabilities, security, everything that you would expect from a device that or a router that you're deploying in an enterprise environment. On top of that, you have Inseego Connect, which offers advanced device management capabilities, which you need if you're deploying at any scale. So now for me, it's really a matter of where do we go next? The solution that we've built is very applicable not only in SMB, also in large enterprise, IoT, industrial, and beyond. So what you will see is us scaling our go-to-market capability and of course our solution offer across these different verticals.
So now Inseego customers will have access to the state-of-the-art hardware, right, for performance purposes. You're going to take advantage of the latest features that the wireless operators will provide. And now they have all the ease of use and control and management of the devices throughout their network.
That's actually a very important point. Our solutions will be easy to use, easy to deploy, and easy to manage at scale.
Right.